To improve performance or tailor your gaming experience in Red Dead Redemption 2, adjusting the graphics settings can be very helpful. Follow these steps to lower the graphics settings effectively. Step 1. Launch the game. Start Red Dead Redemption 2 from your gaming platform or launcher. Wait for the game to load to the main menu. Step 2. Access the settings menu. Once you're on the main menu, navigate to the settings option. This is usually found at the bottom of the menu list. Step 3. Select graphics settings. In the settings menu, look for the graphics tab. Click on it to access the various graphics options available for adjustment. Step 4. Adjust graphics options. Within the graphics settings, you will see various options such as texture quality, shadow quality, and resolution. Lower these settings to reduce the graphical load on your system. For example, set texture quality to medium or low, and adjust resolution to a lower value if necessary. Step 5. Save changes and restart. After making your adjustments, ensure you save the changes before exiting the settings menu. It may be beneficial to restart the game to ensure that all changes take effect properly. By following these steps, you can successfully lower the graphics settings in Red Dead Redemption 2, enhancing your gaming experience on systems with low performance capabilities. Enjoy your game.